Depending on the environment you work in, safety shoes can protect you from a whole range of risks. For a shoe to be classed as a safety shoe, it needs to have two basic requirements or mandatory features: a protective toe cap, a non-slip sole. From there, we have the basis of the protection. It's what we call an SB shoe. But how do you go about finding the right shoe if you work in an environment where the risks are more varied? Let's start with the SB shoe. Now, let's add an anti-static protection, which is very useful for avoiding electrostatic discharges. Let's also add a little energy absorption in the heel. And there you have it, a pair of S1s. But maybe you're at risk of another very common hazard, namely punctures by screws, metal, or other objects. That's why puncture protection is often advisable, and that's what S1Ps are all about. In short, an S1P features a protective toe cap, a non-slip sole, an anti-static protection, a resistance to oils and hydrocarbons, energy absorption in the heel, and an anti-puncture sole. And to keep you up to speed, you can now find out more about the changing requirements of the S1P standard. After all, the current EN ISO 20345 standard has changed since 2022. The S1P shoe with a metal anti-puncture sole will always be the original S1P shoe. But many shoes now offer more lightweight anti-puncture soles, made of textile or composite. With the new standard, these shoes will be divided into two groups: resistant to 4.5mm wide points, S1PL, L for large; resistance to smaller 3mm points, S1PS, S for small. Now you know all about the S1P standard and its evolution into the S1PL, S1PS. If you need more or different protection, check out the videos of the other standards. Modyf, the workwear and safety footwear specialist.